Hi, welcome. Do you want to learn hypnosis? Do you want to learn to hypnotize anyone in 30 seconds or less for fun, profit and fame? You might have seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people doing instant hypnosis, doing hypnotic demonstration and having a lot of fun. You might have seen a lot of videos and you might have read about hypnosis can help people to help you to lose weight, remove fear and phobias, develop concentration, improve memory. You might have seen a lot of videos where hypnotherapists helping people to remove their mental blocks, do a content-free therapy. So my friend, if that is your goal, you are at the right place. You might be looking for a place where you can learn all these things. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I conducted my live training programs all over the world in last 42 years. I've trained more than 500,000 people all over the world. I have students in 180 countries. I work with the top level sportsmen in India and abroad. And I've created a lot of videos, audios on YouTube. I have more than 1,000 videos on YouTube right now and more than 15 million views. Now my friend, I started learning hypnosis when I was only 14 in 1972 and then I started teaching hypnosis in 1977. I've gone through all the hard time learning hypnosis which you don't need to do. Because when I started there were no books available, no videos available, no internet, no Amazon.com. So I've been to all kind of people to learn hypnosis and they find out many of them they don't know what hypnosis is. So I've learned from the hardest way. I started teaching hypnosis in 1977. So my friend, you don't need to waste a lot of time. You don't need to go to the wrong places to learn hypnosis. I have learned from the hard way. So I teach people easy technique, any technique which anybody can learn and do it. So my friend, the good news is I am conducting a live training programs in Hyderabad, a 2 full-day training practical workshop where you learn by doing it. So now, let me tell you what you are going to learn in the workshop. Now my friend, I am sure you want to learn hypnosis. So my friend, if you have gone through the YouTube videos and things, you see how people are doing. Now in this workshop, you are going to learn how to hypnotize people in 30 seconds or less and sometime instantly. You might have seen my videos on YouTube where I teach people and I give a demo how to do it. Now my friend, if you want to learn this 2 full-day practical workshop, let me tell you what you are going to learn in this 2 full-day practical workshop. And you will learn by doing it. What does it mean? I'll give you a demo, then explain you the technique, and then you'll practice among the participants. By the first day of the workshop, you'll become a hypnotist. By the second day of the workshop, you'll become the hypnotist. So now let me tell you what you're going to learn in 2-day workshop. The first thing in the workshop you're going to learn is what is conscious mind, how subconscious mind works, myths about hypnosis, and then you will learn self-hypnosis. You will learn how to go yourself into self-hypnosis to program your mind. And then you will doing the same technique on each participant. I'll give you a demo and then you'll be practicing on each other and you'll be doing your first hypnotic induction on the first day before lunch, before the lunch break. And after the lunch break, we'll get into hypnotic suggestibility tests. These tests are important to warm up the person you're going to hypnotize them, show them the power of their mind, and for you to know who we are responding to your suggestions or not. I call it imagination games. Now there is first type of imagination game you will learn with the eye closed, where the hand lock, arm lock, a lot of things you will learn by doing it. And then we get into waking hypnosis. You will learn to do the same imagination game with the eyes open. I'm using a very specific hypnotic language pattern which is not taught by anybody in India and abroad also. And you will learn by doing it. In this technique, you can make somebody's hand stuck to the wall, stuck the leg stuck to the floor, they can't open their mouth, they forget their name. All these fun things you will learn on the first day before tea break, and you will learn, not I'm going to give you a demo only. I'm going to teach you exactly what to do, and you will be doing the workshop. You can watch my clipping from my workshops where participants are practicing and doing it easily. And then you will learn a very powerful method called Dave-Ellman induction, where you can put a person, this is a longer version of hypnosis, where you took a longer means, you must be meaning what do you mean by longer? When I started hypnosis, I used to take 20 to 30 minutes to hypnotize a person. Now, this is longer. Why I'm saying is because now I do instant hypnosis. Longer means 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, 2 to 3 minutes. This technique called Dave-Ellman induction, and it takes only 3 minutes to do it. And then the person goes into deep stage of hypnosis very first time, and then you can teach them self-hypnosis. You can do hypnotic anesthesia. You can do content-free therapy. Now, what do you mean by content-free therapy? Content-free therapy means the person don't need to tell you what the problem is, and still you can help them. That is the power of this technique. Plus many more methods you are going to learn. And one more thing, maybe sometime on the first day, sometime on the second day, I teach you pseudo hypnosis. Pseudo hypnosis means it is not hypnosis but look like hypnosis. Sometimes somebody come and harass you, so you can use this technique, especially very good in parties. It can be a good opener when you are doing and talking hypnosis. So this technique, what you learn on the first day, imagination game on Dave-Ellman induction, you will learn how to have more fun wherever you go and become more popular. And when you start doing therapy with the people, which you learn in the workshop, you can make money, you can teach self-hypnosis, remove fear and phobia, a lot of things you are going to learn there. On the second day in the morning, that will be the first part, will be for your own self-development. You will learn the power of words, hypnotic power of words. Change your words, change your life. Everybody has a power. There are a lot of things. You will experience the power of word in the workshop, and then you will learn how to protect yourself from other people's negativity and how to change your words. Then learn how to change your belief. Yes, whatever you are right now, because of the belief you have about yourself, you will learn a very powerful hypnotic simple techniques that can help you change your belief. And then we get into healing. You will learn about 7 common reasons why we get psychosomatic and physical problems, then 4 different methods to manage pain. Then you will learn how to use imagery for healing. I'll not go more into detail, and then I'll guide you into a powerful hypnotic sessions to find the cause of your problem and release it. And then we get into 2 different methods of content-free therapy, which takes only few minutes to do, and you will learn by doing it. And then you will get into instant hypnosis, the fun part of hypnosis, where I'll teach you the rules how to do it and how to create your own hypnotic induction, and I'll give you a demo, and you'll be practicing on each other, and you will start hypnotizing people instantly. Remember, you'll be able to do it easily practicing in the workshop. And then you learn a group hypnosis plus a few methods which I developed utilizing the previous trance, pretending hypnosis, and non-verbal inductions, and pretending hypnosis, non-verbal induction, and many more. And one interesting method which I just forgot, Oriental pressure point method. You might see the videos on my YouTube where I'm giving the demo of this technique. Plus nowadays I started adding more on non-verbal induction, which is very, very powerful, which you will learn by doing it, then the group hypnosis. Now my friend, all these things you will learn by doing it in the workshop, plus many more, because the video I want to keep it short, so I'm not going to talk much about it. Go to my website and learn it. Now the rule to this workshop is, you come to the workshop only if you want to practice. Don't come to watch me. If you want to watch me, I have more than 1,000 videos on YouTube, go and watch. Come to the workshop and practice. If you practice, you will master it. If you don't practice and don't do the exercise on each other, you will never learn it. So rule is, if you come to the workshop, be sure that you are willing to practice on each other and allow other people to practice on you. This is very, very important, okay? And now in the workshop, what you get? You get a certificate after you attend the workshop, certificate of participants. Then you get a seminar manual, around 64 pages manual, plus lot of handouts, more than 20 pages handouts you will get separate, which were not printed in the manual, that will help you master these techniques. Now, other important thing, in this workshop you are going to get, if you register early, 18,000 worth of material in the form of videos, downloadable ebooks, downloadable audios worth 18,000 rupees, which we normally don't sell on my website also. plus many more bonus which I can't tell you right now over the video. And the price for the workshop. Now you must be wondering where the workshop is happening. Workshop is happening in Hyderabad, morning 9 to evening 6, both the days. And the fees includes your 2-day lunch, snacks and course material and the bonus material if you register with the time limit given there below in my website. And the workshop is happening in Hotel Western Ashoka, which is in Lakriapul, very centrally located, very close to the metro station. Now if you are coming from out of Hyderabad, come one day early, because many people they come from the close places like Bangalore, Pune or some places. They arrive in the morning by train or bus or flight. They are so tired, so sleepy, they don't enjoy the workshop. So come one day early, strongly suggested. Now because most of the people come, 90% people from all over the India, some come from Dubai, some come from Sri Lanka, some come from Bangladesh, Nepal, Thailand, people come from to attend the workshop. So my friend, the workshop get full very fast, and this workshop may not happen again because I'm getting into my other things, like I work with the sportsmen and lot of other things which I'm doing. So if you're really interested, click on the link below and register over the workshop right now, or call us on our mobile number given there. My staff will help you. In fact, my staff will also help you if you're coming from outside. He'll send you the list of the hotels if you want, where you can book your rooms at a reasonable price, or if you want you can stay in the same hotel where we are conducting the workshop. 8 o'clock. By 8 o'clock register starts, 9 o'clock the workshop starts. So register right now, immediately. The workshop may not happen, and right now the price is basically around 25,000, but you are getting a more than 50% discount if you register right now, and you get a bonus material of 18,000 rupees. So click on the link below and register right now, and looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.